Hey everybody, this is Sam and welcome back to Production Level 1. This is going to be lesson 4 and we're going to be going over audio interfaces. So let's jump on in. In this lesson, we are going to go over what is an audio interface and give examples of common ways to use audio interfaces. So what is an audio interface? Well, an audio interface is the doorway between the DAW and your ears, meaning all sound goes through or is routed through here. And here's an example of this. So if we're thinking of the signal flow, we've got from A to B, again, from left to right. The MIDI controller is going to represent your idea that you're having, and it's going to be plugged into your computer's USB, which is then going to be communicating with the DAW, and that DAW is going to give us sound. So what's coming out of that is going to go straight to your computer headphone output, and that's going to then go to your headphones, okay? Now, your computer actually has an audio interface built in, or else sound wouldn't be able to come out. Okay, so let's take a look at another type of audio interface. So here's another example. Again, we have the signal flow going from A to B. Okay, so we have a microphone and or a DI instrument. That's going to go into an input, okay? And that input is going to go straight into your DAW. And then that sound that the DAW captures is going to come out of the audio interface into your headphones or your monitors. And just to note, monitors are also known as speakers or studio monitors. So the question to answer then, do I need an audio interface? Technically, yes. However, if you only want to use virtual instruments, meaning making beats and or producing tracks, then your computer will work just fine. So you don't necessarily need it. You only really need an audio interface when you want outside sources to come into your computer, meaning microphones, DIs, that kind of stuff. And the question to think on then is, what is a preamp? To that, we'll see you on the next one.